Everybody always asks me, what's the best-selling self-published book that you've ever worked with? Okay, and hands down, the best-selling book was a book called The Beanie Baby Handbook. Okay, and some of you may or may not remember it. They sold, it says on the cover, 3 million in print. I think I remember 2.5 million actually printing. It went real well. Okay, there aren't many of them. I mean, there's only been one so far. Okay, we've had plenty of other books that have sold, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. We've had plenty of books that that sell and then are picked up later on by by traditional publishers. So it's good if you do it right. Okay, and you like I say, I mean, there's a fork in the road of self-publishing, and the fork comes very early. Okay, as long as you get headed down the right path, and you potentially, there's sky's the limit. Okay, there's it's only limited by the number of people that want to buy your book.